Hausa Potato Soya Chunk Stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the Hausa Potato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the soy recipes and one of the most delicious of the Soya Chunk recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the potato recipes. Today we are going to make Hausa Potato Soya Chunk Stew. The ingredients are around 100 grams of cleaned and cut Hausa potato or Chinese potatoes, around 100 grams of soya chunk, 25 grams of garlic, 1 onion cut into pieces, 25 grams of ginger, 2 tomatoes cut into pieces. The pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Now put in the ginger, salt, thoroughly. Soften it thoroughly. Soften mix. Now put in the onion pieces. Chop the onions, put the ginger, till the leaves become discolored. Keep on sauteing. Okay, saute mix. Put in the garlic pieces. Now put in the soya chunk pieces. Stop. Soya chunk pieces together. Put in the tomato paste. Put in the Hausa Potato and Chinese potato. Mix. Thoroughly sort and mix. Put in 2 spoons of mixture spices. Mix thoroughly. Pour in 50 ml of water. Mix. Thoroughly mix them up. Thoroughly mix so that all the ingredients are nicely mixed with each other. Put in salt to taste and mix. Mix thoroughly. Now pour in 150 to 200 ml of water. Mix and let this mixture cook for 15 to 20 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the soya chunk Hausa potato stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final Hausa potato soya chunk stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the potato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the Hausa potato recipes and one of the most delicious of the soya recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the soy recipes and one of the most unique of the stew recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.